to add products to Shopify from Printify, follow these steps. Sign up for Printify. Create a Printify account at printify.com if you haven't already. Connect Printify to Shopify. After logging into Printify, go to the Manage My Store section and click on Connect to link your Shopify store. In Shopify, approve the connection to allow Printify to manage products and orders. Create a product in Printify. In your Printify dashboard, click Create New Product. Choose a product type and customize it by adding your designs using Printify's mockup generator. Adjust the product details, including colors, sizes, and pricing. Publish to Shopify. After customizing the product, click Publish to add the item to your Shopify store. Printify will automatically push the product to your Shopify store with all relevant details, including product descriptions and pricing. Adjust product settings on Shopify. Once the product is live on Shopify, you can further edit it in the Shopify admin panel. You can adjust product descriptions, tags, and inventory settings as needed. Start selling. Your product is now available for sale on your Shopify store. When customers order, Printify will automatically fulfill and ship the orders.